Good day to everyone. So today we are going to see how we can import existing resources into the Terraform state file. Okay. So basically this can be used if you are having any existing resource which is created you manually or using some other source, and if you want to manage those resources going forward through Terraform, then the import option should be used. Okay. So let's see how we can use it. So first of all, you need to have the Terraform version 1.5.0 or greater than 1.5.0. Okay, so whatever method we are going to see, that method will be applicable only for those versions. Okay, greater than 1.5.0. Okay. Okay, so to do that, we have to have the import block. In the import block, there are two arguments. One argument is ID, and then two. ID is nothing but that is the unique ID. So in this example, we are going to take the DynamoDB. So we have to specify the DynamoDB table name. Okay, suppose if it is the EC2 instance, then you have to provide the EC2 instance ID. Okay, so the id will be differ based on the resources. Okay, that I will show you. And two, nothing but where you are going to import. Okay, that also we will discuss soon. Okay, so basically we need to have the import block. The next thing is we have to generate the Terraform code for importing, right? For that you have to use this command Terraform plan generate config out and file name. This command will generate the Terraform file, and then after that we have to import resource into the state file. For that we have to do Terraform apply. Okay, let's jump into the practical session and see how we can do this. Okay, so before starting import or generating code, you need to have the basic things like the Terraform record providers and then provider block. Okay, so this is only going to decide what kind of platform you are using, and on the particular platform you need to provide, like if it is AWS, which region it has to import. Those basic stuff you have to provide, right? So those information is must. And then second one is uh, and then you have to do the Terraform init. Okay, so after do Terraform init, just to create one more file called import, and then here we are going to have the import block. Okay, so okay, so now here we have decided to import our DynamoDB. Okay, so let's jump to the console. If you see in AWS, I have a test hyphen table. This is the one I have created manually. So now we are going to import this particular resource into the Terraform state file. Okay, okay. So basically, once you decide which resource you need to import, then you need to decide the block as well, right? So in general, uh, you have to know which resource block we will use to create this particular resource. For example, to create the DynamoDB table, we have to use AWS DynamoDB table resource block. Using this resource block only, we will create the new resource, I mean new DynamoDB table, right? Then we have to use this particular block. Okay, so what in the Terraform registry, if you come down on this particular resource, there is separate section called import. There you can see the import block. Okay, you just copy and paste. So basically here they have mentioned it will work only version 1.50 or later. Okay, and later. Okay, I'm just going to copy this import block. Okay, so basically, two is nothing but this is the resource block we are going to use it, and after the dot, this is a unique label which we can use anything. Okay, I'm just going to use demo. Okay, but this has to be unique when compared to other resource blocks. Okay, and what is ID? So ID is nothing but your table name. So what is our table name here? Test hyphen table. Okay, so I'm just copy here. Okay, Okay, our import block is done now. Okay, now what is the next step? We have to generate the Terraform code for importing. So for that we have to use this particular command, right? So let's see, let's execute this command. So here, sorry, mm, sorry, okay, wait, sorry, actually let me delete this, let me rerun this. Okay, here we can give the any file name which should start which ends with .tf extension. Okay, once we execute this command, what will happen? Using this information, it will generate the Terraform code for us. If you see, the new file called main.tf got generated, and you can see this is the block we have used, and this is the label we have given, demo, right? These two, this is what we have given here, right? And then uh, this is the table we have imported. So the name is test table. Okay, right? So other information it just pulled from our AWS console, and it generated the code for us. Okay, now we have to import this into state file, then only we can manage the resource going forward through Terraform. So for that we have to execute Terraform apply command. See, right now we don't have any state file here, but once I do Terraform apply, you can see the state file now. Yeah, it started importing now. Yes, okay, it got imported. Now if you see the state file, you can see the DynamoDB table resource in the state file, right? See DynamoDB table, and then name, this is the name. Okay, so we have all the information about this particular table into into our state file. So it means we can manage this particular resource going forward through Terraform, right? So for example, let's say the read capacity is 5, let me change it to 10, and then if we do Terraform apply, it will work. How it is possible? Because we have imported this into state file, and the Terraform is capable enough to manage this resource using Terraform commands. So if you want to destroy, yes, you can do it. Okay, yeah, this is how we can import the existing resources into the Terraform state file. Okay, let's complete, and then I will show you in the console whether it got destroyed or not. Yeah, it started destroying. Let me go to the console, and now you can see it got destroyed, right? Yeah, this is how we can import. Thank you so much.